I'm extremely happy that the Finance Club is organizing National Consumer Rights Day on December 24th. The theme of this year's National Consumer Rights Day is sustainable consumption. Consumption has become a big issue today. There are many reasons. One reason is the way in which we are consuming is not sustainable. The generation to come will not excuse us if we make our consumption unsustainable. Nobody has an absolute right to empty all the resources this earth has given. We have to consume in such a way that for the generations to come, we leave what is due to them. Indeed, it is our responsibility to make our consumption more sustainable. It is said that the way in which North Americans consume, if the whole world starts consuming like that, we need 3 planet Earths. Where from to bring 3 planet Earths? And the ecological footprint, that is the land required for one man, is close to 14 hectares in Northern America. And in India, it is only 1.5 hectares. But whole world wants to consume like North Americans, and whole world wants to consume like the citizens of United States of America, and that consumption is not sustainable. We have to find ways and means in which we can make our consumption more and more sustainable. I am sure this National Consumer Rights Day, what we are organizing and making the sustainable consumption as the theme, is the great effort by the students of Acharya Bangalore B School. I wish this program all the best and all the success to the program.
Hi everyone. So as you know, my name is Dr. Naveen Paul, and I'm very much thankful to all the bunch of students that you have taken such a novel initiation, because at present this is a need of the hour. Why, if you just ask me, I'd just like to tell a small instance wherein it is said that in every 18 seconds we are disposing plastic in the ocean, and this is keep on mounting. So that's the reason this sustainability as a concept, it has to be adhered and imbibed in each and every individual. What is happening is, like, we often keep on blaming the people. Like for example, we blame the government, we blame the system, and we Indians are very good at blaming others also. So it's required that we take a bold step and start to realize that what we as a human beings we are doing. For instance, there are products which are eco-friendly products. We have to convert ourselves from a conventional consumer to a green consumer. So that is where I think so our role becomes very important. So by the time I am speaking to you now already, there are 2 to 3 trucks of loads of plastic is been disposed in the ocean. So for instance, one more example if I want to quote, the plastic which is disposed in Mumbai city, it is been found in the coral reefs of Australia. So that is how the severe we are causing concern towards the environmental aspects. So now I think so this is a bold step that ABBS students are taking, and we ourselves have to convert ourselves to in the path of digitalization, and we have to consume eco-friendly products. So with that, I would just like to thank once again to all the set of students for taking this initiation. Thank you very much.
Hi all, I am Dattatreya Reddy, a professor of marketing working with ABBS. So I am here today to wish a better Consumers Day on International Consumers Rights Day. I want to start with a quote. According to Bill Gates, unsatisfied customers are the sources of learning. I wish everyone, we have to be ethical to balance the sustainability and with the human's life. To sustain, we have to maintain in such a way that we have to use the products which can be sustained in such a way that with the climate conditions or with the weather, etc. and etc. So for this, I want to tell one example is real estate. To make money, what all we are using is we are leaning towards the deforestation. Deforestation is the very, very, very big issue which making sustainable is very tough day to day. Okay, I request all the consumers and of course the management students all over here, at least from now onwards, balance yourself, which we can sustain as you and of course coming generation have future. I wish everyone a very happy and National Consumers Rights Day. And Consumers Rights Day means we have to get right information. We have all have rights to get information. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Arul Sandil. We need to talk about waste management, and we are in the Bangalore. So what we eat, we have to be very conscious. Especially being in the Bangalore, like metropolitan cities, we need to very much concern about our wastage. And it includes plastics, and we have to take care of the drainage and everything. So the plastic we need to avoid, and now the central government has taken many initiative even in the railway stations also. They are trying to give tea pots they are using. It is all highly acceptable, and we need to focus more on sustainable development and sustainable consumption. That is only needed for in today's requirement, and we wish everyone needs to follow that, and it would be a good day if we follow everything. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shalini Hedges, and I'm the Associate Professor at Department of MBA Acharya Bangalore B School. I'm also the Day Celebration Coordinator. So every December 24th is celebrated as the National Consumer Rights Day. So we are also celebrating the National Consumer Rights Day 2020. So the theme being sustainable consumption. So when it comes to sustainable consumption, it is all about like consuming the products which are eco-friendly. So in the olden days, if we say, we used to like, for example, the cloth we wear. So we used to wear the cotton cloths which were recyclable and which can be used further. But nowadays we are making use of the jeans and also the synthetic cloth materials which are non-biodegradable. So in this regard, what comes to my mind is each and every one of us as consumers have responsibility. Responsibility towards what? Responsibility towards consuming the right product. So when I say right product, it is eco-friendly product which can be recycled. Let me take the example of this mobile phone. So this mobile phone is completely made out of plastic, and 40% of plastic and 40% of metal, and the remaining 20% it is made out of for battery. Then it is using the metals like zinc, cadmium, nickel, and etc. So in this regard, whenever we purchase a mobile phone today, for every day there is one brand new mobile phone. So you have to be very selective while making a decision to buy a mobile phone for that matter. So is there a way where we can live without our mobile phones? No, absolutely not. Because today you can live without your food for one day, but you cannot live without your mobile phones for one day. So think about it. I'm telling the right truth. So in this regard, what necessary measures that producers can take is they can take up this responsibility to destroy this particular mobile phones, or the mobile phones which are already used and about to be thrown by the consumers. So they have to take up the initiative, and they have to make necessary arrangements wherein they can recycle this particular products and they can come out with a new product. So if each and everyone will keep on using new mobile phones, and we have nowadays the washing machines, televisions, LED, LCD, new technologies are smart TV, new technologies are coming in. Now each and every one of us, if we start using a new brand or a product every day, just imagine how much of metals or plastic we will be throwing out each and every day, right? So this is a major concern. So that being the reason, so definitely there has to be a proper scope for recycling such kind of products, and also whenever you make a choice, you make sure that you go green. And if you ask me at the last, environment, whose responsibility? It's all our responsibility, right? So all of us are responsible for maintaining our environment in a green manner. So go green. Thank you.
The National Consumer Rights Day is an annual occasion for celebration and solidarity within the national consumer movement, and it's an opportunity to promote the basic rights of all consumers.
National Consumer Rights Day is observed every year in India on 24th December. On this day, Consumer Act 1986 had received its assent of the President.
This day provides an opportunity for individuals to highlight the importance of consumers and the basic rights and responsibilities of consumers.
And the important role of consumer rights and protection sustainable consumption means doing better with the less, and with the aim of increasing efficiency and fair trade.
Alleviating poverty and enabling everyone to lead a healthy and good quality life with access to food, water, energy and medicine.
The theme of World Consumer Rights Day 2020 is the Sustainable Consumer. The theme highlights the need for sustainable consumption globally.
Participants came with informative collages with the help of newspaper magazine regarding the theme Sustainable Consumption.
As a part of National Consumer Rights Day Celebration Committee of ABPS has conducted a competition for first and third MBA students. The top 3 winners of the collage competitions are Swarna, Ankit and Amit. Congratulations to all winners. Thank you.
As a consumers, we have so much power to change the world by just being careful in what we buy, said by Emma Watson.
Let us join our hands together and celebrate National Consumer Rights Day 2020.